24. This is part 24.
What up?
See that guy over there?
Yeah.
He just took us on a tour.
The night watchman.
That guy just made a kissy face at the camera.
Yeah, he did.
It's funny.
A little weird.
He's got that, what is that, Hellbrand? Is that what that's called?
Yeah, that's it.
That large pike spear thing? Axe?
Yeah, it's a good time.
This is Rotenburg, town hall right there. See it? Lots of people, lots of Schwana, all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, lots of fun.
Lots of Schwana. We're getting ready to go watch the game because it started like 20 minutes ago.
Crazy
And the Magic Flute is just down the road. It's cool.
So we're going to go do that. Yeah. Got some more ice cream earlier. That was
Yeah,
fun.
we sure did. It was good too.
It was good. It's
pretty good.
Chocolate
Pretty good.
stuff.
Pretty good.
I had some nuts.
I'm running out of euros though.
I'm running out of euros too. You know how much I have? I have 50 euros cash right now.
I have 135, but I owe your
That's
dad
all.
a crap load, and I gotta buy stuff.
Hey,
for
you owe him a
Canadians.
crap load?
No,
Look at this
I
guy.
owe. I just owe him for the hotel.
Yeah, just for this hotel. It should only be like 26 euros for
Oh, really?
tonight. Yeah.
Oh, I was thinking it was
because
like 40.
It's 110, I think, for the
It's a
room.
good thing we're putting all this in there.
It's a good thing. All the money and everything. There you go.
That's a guy.
Very good.
It's pretty cool.
He's a watchman at night.
He's got a crazy voice that it's weird.
It's kind of British. Got a British inflection and stuff.
kind of British.
It is that dog I saw running across the road. I was wondering what that was.
So I really think that guy did just come here and buy Hildebrand and just start walking through the streets one day.
Who knows?
Start making himself up for a tour.
We should have asked him. We should interview him on camera. That's yet to come, viewers. An interview with the night watchman.
When are we going to do that?
Next time we come to.
That's gonna be in part 238.
See
That'd
this?
be sweet.
See this? This is American nickel. Look at
Nice.
that. Look at that.
What are you going to use that for?
This-
It's worth nothing
This is
here.
1 franc.
That's worth
1
nothing here
Swedish
too.
franc.
Swiss.
Oh, my bad. Swissish.
Hey Kyle.
Hey, what?